So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. See if that works for you. For the second method, you're going to head over to search again and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to expand display adapters. Now you're going to find your graphics card. You're going to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. I'm also going to be leaving down below 3 links for NVIDIA, AMD and Intel. You want to download the software that comes with your graphics card. For me, I have an NVIDIA graphics card, so I'll go to NVIDIA app. And then once you're on our software, you're going to click on the driver tab. Now you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your graphics card drivers are fully up to date for your software. See if that works for you. For the next method, you're going to head over to search and type in display settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to select your correct monitor. Now you're going to scroll down. Make sure that your scale is on the recommended option. Make sure that your display resolution is on the correct option or the recommended option as well. Make sure that your display orientation is correct. Now we're going to click on advanced display. And now you're going to select your correct monitor. Now you're going to click on display adapter properties for display. And then once this comes up, you're going to click on list all modules. Make sure that you have the correct resolution and refresh rate selected and then click on OK. This should now fix your problem. If the problem is still not fixed though, for the last method, you just want to restart your computer. And then hopefully your problem will now be fixed.